Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be going over the benefits of having your very own Etsy custom web address. So if you ever thought about having your own domain and you want to know the main reasons why you should have one, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. So did you guys know that you could actually get a custom web address for your actual Etsy store? A lot of people have asked me about this before, and some really didn't know that this was a thing. So I wanted to create a video to kind of go over the benefits of having it. I actually think it's a great opportunity for your Etsy store. And I'm going to talk about the three main reasons why I think is really beneficial for Etsy sellers to get their own web address. So instead of you having your standard Etsy URL, which is usually, I'll just talk about mine, for instance, etsy.com/NancyMarketingTools.com. You see how long it is? And for someone that is not really familiar with Etsy, or they're not familiar with typing URLs, if they forget to put the / or they forget to put the .com somewhere, most likely they won't find your store. So having a custom web address is just more beneficial. So let's go ahead and talk about the three top reasons why. The first one is for brand awareness. And brand awareness is a really big thing when you're trying to build a business and when you're trying to scale it to the next level. So you'll be able to add your web address to your business card, to any email addresses, and it's going to make you look more professional. It's going to give you a professional look without having to necessarily open a whole entire website where you have your custom domain. So that's one of the main benefits. Keep in mind that brand awareness is the way that you're able to scale your business to the next level, and you're able to charge premium prices because now you are a brand. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is getting found more easily. Like I said a few minutes ago, if your current URL is so long, people could get it confused easily. By having a custom web address or having a custom domain, if your store is like mine's, Nancy Marketing Tools, you could get a domain that says www.nancymarketingtools.com. It's just that simple. It sounds better, it's easier to find, and less confusion for people or potential customers to find your actual Etsy store. And number three is for professional email options. So instead of you using a Gmail account when you are reaching out to customers, you're going to be able to get a custom email address that matches your domain. So if your domain is like mine, I'll give you mine as an example, NancyMarketingTools.com, I could do a custom email that says contact us at NancyMarketingTools.com. It just looks so much professional. On top of that, for security reasons, I don't recommend using a standard Gmail or Yahoo or AOL and giving that out to random people, because anybody could hack your account. But when you have a custom email, it's a lot harder for people to hack your account or steal information from you. So not only does it give you more of a professional look, it also helps you with your security. So these are the top three reasons why I recommend that if you are taking Etsy and you're doing Etsy as a business and you're taking it serious and you're trying to scale your business to the next level, then you need a custom web address. Now, how do you get one, right? If you want to get one, Etsy did partner up with Hover. It's a third-party leading domain service. And the nice thing about them is that when you go to their website to find if your domain is available, it doesn't really cost that much. It's only $6.50. So they already give you 50% off to use. It's a 1-year annual So if you buy it today, you won't have to pay anything again till 1 year from today. And they give you 50% off bat. So instead of paying $14.50, which is like the standard price, you're going to pay $6.50, which is really, really nice. If you decide to go ahead and get one for your Etsy store, all you have to do is that you log in into your actual Etsy store. If you go to dashboard and you click on marketing and you click on custom web address, you'll be able to go ahead and get started and get one today. But if you are thinking of possibly in the future changing your store name, I don't suggest buying it today. However, if you are, with branding, you love your store name, that's what you're going to be keeping, and you do want to scale your business and take your brand awareness to another level, then I highly suggest that you do so today before someone else takes your name. I hope that you enjoy this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about possibly getting a domain, or any other questions about maybe you have already this custom domain somewhere else, like your own website, and you have additional questions. Leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching.